Our Constitution. Constitution means a set of basic rules followed by a country. Importance of the Constitution. It protects the rights of the citizens as all are equal before the law. It functions as a reference guide to the duties to the performed by the government. It coordinates the functions of the democratic institutions such as legislature, executive, and judiciary. It also organizes better relationship between the government and the individual. Drafting Committee of the Constitution. The Constitution Assembly prepared the Constitution. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as its president when the assembly for the first time. It also created a drafting committee under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The members of the Constitution Assembly verified the draft constitution and proposed 2473 amendments. The proposed amendments and the draft constitution were discussed in the details in the meeting of Constitution Assembly. Hence, it took 3 years for the constitution to have a final shape. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the Law Minister of India from 15th August 1947 to 26 January 1950. The Constitution was adopted on January 26, 1950. The Constitution declared India as a republic. In order to mark the adoption of Constitution every year, January 26 is marked as the Republic Day and it is a national festival. The next, our Constitution has its own unique features. First one is written Constitution. The Indian Constitution is in the written form. This is the lengthiest constitution in the world. Second one is Republic. The Constitution has declared India as a republic. In the case of republican system, there is no rule of the king. Instead, there is the rule of elected representatives by the people. Third one, fundamental rights and duties. The Constitution have a 6 fundamental rights and duties to citizen at present. Fourth one is secularism. The Constitution upholds the principle of secularism. The governments are expected to make no discrimination on the basis of religion and are expected to treat all religions equally. This is called secularism. And fifth one is independent judiciary. The judiciary is independent of executive and legislature and has the powers. All are equal before the court of law and all have rights to justice is the principle of judiciary. The decision of Supreme Court is final. Sixth one is universal adult franchise. The system of electing representative through voting of adult members 18 years and above is called universal adult franchise. And seventh one is election system. India is the largest democracy in the world. These are the features of our constitution. Thank you.